I did say.
Yeah. I found these sticks.
Mom is here. Look, Mom is coming. There.
Uy, nagnap na ka? Stopping part?
Yeah. Stepping part is the best. We're what?
So, hello. Laag na po mi guys. Namin rin sa Stanley Park. Kauban sa akong family. Here. May tennis courts. May playground. Dagag family nga gakuan. Look. There you go. Sanindot siya dire guys, kita gati ilra.
No, dress up.
Oh, cold. Ayo basa na imong Abi. Hold mommy, B. Hold mommy. Hold mommy. Kay daddy's taking a video. Oy, ayaw, B. Kay mabasa, mi. Kami, wami sininal. Kansi minimo.
Play school?
Oh.
Ako, ikaw akong inan
Uy,
mo ba?
put it down, B.
Put it down. Summer ba?
Yeah. Kita mas dudong ako pang cannabis. Cannabis. Kita ka? Wala na, nakita ko na si mami yung crawfish ali. Asa? Where? Where, mom? Wala man. Ay,
You see that, Tutay?
Para si ay.
Kita ka?
Maak ni?
Ay, oo, naanay ka ng claw, oh.
Naman na siya paak.
Kita ka.
Hi. Pictures here.
Ayo.
Hey. Hi.
Kaka ni mo?
Lobster.
Lobster.
Di ba, ah?
Wala man. Hindi pwede mamaak.
Hi, Flowfish.
Paakon rita ba no? Pila mo dagan ni mamaak na paakon rita.
Asa, ano ka? Isulod.
That's so that cave. Hello. Hi.
Sugi mo lang, uy.
Hey.
Hello, nawala. Tara. Nawala. Saan na to?
Wala na, ni-hide na.
Where did it go? Didn't hide.
No.
It's like a little lobsters. First time pa ako kakita ito nga live.
Let's find more one.
Where did it go, she? In-hide na to siya, she.
Let's find so many of them. Oh, hey, look.
I was scared. Kasi paakon ta ba?
Mo rin ini mga panpan. Ina din ako.
Paun-paunan.
Let's find it. Let's find it. Hey, look, a stick.
Nawala na. So nice kayo sa diri guys. So kung na mo'y family, and gusto mo maog picnic or whatever, napod siya picnic kan diri na spot for picnic. And at the same time, pwede mo maka-enjoy this river na po yung mga playgrounds. So, good for siya para sa pang family jud. So, kung namo ikuan, kung nangita mog Malagan, Stanley Park, i-appeal siya sa inyong options. Kung diri ra within Calgary, inya kung naa po hilig mog biking, pwede po mag-bike diri all around libot. So, yeah. Naa? I'm also trying my DJI Osmo Nano. Kung unsa ang iyahang kuan. So far the Nano was good. And yeah, as what I said earlier, you can be in the moment at the same time you're capturing it. Compared ato na kay dala nga camera nga lain ngay while ga capture ka, sige di ka kakita bitaw unsa ang ginakuan kay sige ga focus mo ka sa syempre kay focus man ka sa screen, di ba? Pero this one i-attach nimo niya. Make sure lang nimo nga nasa okay ka kay detachable man ni siyang tawag ani vision sa camera niya itself. So the reason why wala ko palit sa Ultra, it's because I already have the Pocket 3, the 5 Pro, and lisod na if kanindot in terms of ecosystem sa ilang accessories, sa ilang mics, okay na siya ba? Pero kung I have to buy the Ultra, then I have to buy another accessories. So murag lisod siya. So and Ultra is more expensive than the Nano. So that's the reason why I bought the Nano instead of the Ultra. But yeah, so earlier footage guys, ako gigamit ang hat clip. But if one thing you have to note nga only the camera itself is the waterproof. The vision dock is not. It's only water resistant based on my research. But yeah, so just in case. So if ever ganahan mo matog underwater or something, ayun yung gi-appeal ang vision dock. Kay kaubo. Goodbye camera. Pero so far naman ko nakita nga video nga pag nabasa pero na okay raman. But I don't wanna risk it. I don't have money to buy it again. Pero yeah, just letting you know. Ooh, so far quality sa camera it's good. The POV it's good. The wide angle is good. It's very nice. This is actually I think the standard D-warp pero na siya. Pero look at the wide na siya. Wala pa ginako ni siya giset to wide. And I don't know. It's the only problem nga ako nakita ni is that for me is that ang battery is not interchangeable. No, bye.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah. But let's go there closer. Let's find some more closer.
Naman na sila sa sides, we. So guys, right now we're just using the magnet sa car. Uy, namapay. What are you doing there?
Dad, close the door.
Bye, tree. Don't open the door. Bye-bye, malakaw na mi. Ato mi sa playground. Manto na mi sa playground.
No, this is my room.
This is your room?
Yeah.
Say hi, Sabi.
Hi.
Ayaw.
Dad, close the door. This is my room.
Ayaw na. Mabubu ka na. Ayaw na nilamti. Guys, now, mga tumi sa murag lights. Ano tawag ito ba?
Meow.
Pixel lights or something. So, limited.
Meow.
Sama, sagot.
That's meow.
Okay. So, murag limited ra na siya nga time. I think until ugma na ni or something. So, testingan na mo kung sina dito. And kung nindot ba. So, at least ma-experience na mo kung saan siya. So, dalon to mo dito. Let's go. So morning lights guys. This is the lighting. Kaso hayag pa eh. Time check. Mga alas 6 na ata ni ron sa hapon. Kaso hayag pa, wala pa lights. Time check 6:30. So, mauro na siya diri guys. Dili kayo ma-appreciate kay hayag pa man gud. Pero nindot siya actually. Para pang event lang ba. So, nakanindot man gud sa Canada po is that na sila yung mga activities na yung mga sige tawagan na lang mga na sila yung mga program no. Ika sa mga event para sa mga kuan. Kay kuy mo na boring man jud kay tugnaw. Pero so sila magimo sila mga activities diri or mga projects para malingaw ang mga tao na yung mga indoor shots. Dada pa rin.
Hey, you're pretty tall. Yeah. What are these? These are called stilts. And that's my friend, yeah. Say hi to your mom. Oh, did you see that?
That's Russia.
Wow. Did you see that? Oh, did you see him?
Hey!
Wow.
Hindi siya mo doon. Ako kay abi niya tawgon siya manguli na. Hindi siya mo doon.
So mangaon sa mi guys. Medyo tugnaw na jud. So one thing I noticed ani nga camera is that dili siya para sa 5 Pro nga pag click nimo automatic mo record na yung mga times nga mo i-click pa nimo siya kausa kaduha or something, multiple clicks in order for to start. So that's one of the cons that I can see with this camera. But so far aside from that it's okay. Kita sa miyog snacks. It's getting colder actually. Huh?